Example 2. Example 2. 3 successive changes. 3 successive changes for 14.2857, 12.5 percentage and 11.11 percentage is equivalent to these increase dash percentage. 3 successive changes for 14.2857, 12.5 and 11.11. 3 changes are equivalent to which percentage change? Now concept. Listen carefully, sir. 1 by 7 is nothing but 14.2857. There is a reason why am I writing 4 digits after dot. There is a reason why am I writing 4 digits after dot. I will explain you in the next fraction. 14.2857. Suppose I want 2 by 7. Take the numerator 2. Multiply by 10. What is 2 tens are? 20. 7 goes how many times in 20? 7 2s are 14. 7 3s are 21. Maximum 2 times it will go. The digit 2 is present here. Write this digit and the next digit. Dot remaining digits in serial order. Answer is 28.5714. 28.5714. Again I am repeating. If it is 3 by 7, take the numerator 3. Multiply by 10. 3 tens are 30. 7 goes how many times in 30? 7 4s are 28. 7 5s are 35. 4 times it will go. So it is 42 point. Remaining 4 digits, write it like this. 42.8571. There are at least 50 questions that can be formed because of these 6 digits getting repeated. 3 by 7, 42, right? Next, if it is 4 by 7, take the numerator, multiply by 10. 4 tens are 40. 7 goes 5 times in 35. 6 times in 42. 5. Write down the 5 and the next digit. Dot the remaining digits in serial order. 4 by 7. If it is 5 by 7, 5 tens are 50. 7 goes 7 times in 49. Write the 7 and the next digit is 41.85285. 1 by 7, 2 by 7. Right, Mrinal, you are right. But it is by just by multiplication. There is a logic behind these 6 digits getting repeated. Successive changes for. So this is 1 by 7. Again, I will tell you the shortcut for 11.11 little later. This is 1 by 7. This is 1 by 8. And this is 1 by 9. I will tell you the shortcut for 11.11 in the next slide. Again I am repeating. 1 by 7 is 14.2857. 2 by 7 is, take the numerator 2. Multiply by 10. 2 tens are 20. 7 2s are 14. Write 2 and the next digit. Dot remaining digits in serial order. 28.5714. 3 by 7. Take the numerator 3. Multiply by 10. 3 tens are 30. So take 4 times. 42.8571. Now see here. This, if you understand compound interest without answer options, is cakewalk. 7 1 increase. Increase on 7 1 increase. Next event. 8 1 increase 9. Next event. 9 1 increase 10. 8 8 cancel. 9 9 cancel. 7 is becoming 10. On 7 it became 10. Increase is 3 on 7. 3 by 7 is 42.8571. 42.8571. Now, second digit is nothing but the next digit. 3 by 7, Ashok for you. 3 tens are 30. 7 goes 4 times, 28. 7 4s are 28. 4 and the next digit. Next digit is 2. 42.8571. 8571. 42 point, write the next digits in the serial order. Example 2 is clear, right? Example 3. Example 3. Then example 4 onwards, compound interest. Example 2. Example 3. Example 3. Okay, I did not discuss 11.11 shortcut. 11.11 is 1 by 9. Or I will write 1 by 9 is 11.11. 2 by 9. 3 by 9. And so on up to 8 by 9. Remember, 9 by 11, World Trade Center collapse. Our USA emergency number is 911. If the denominator is 9, take the numerator, multiply by 11, write down twice. 2 11s are 22, write down twice. 3 11s are 33, 33.33. 4 by 9, 4 10 11s are 44, 44.44. 8 11s are 88, 88.88. Reverse is also true. If it is 2 by 11, take the numerator, multiply by 9, write down twice. 18.18. 3 by 11, 3 times 9 is 27.27. 7 by 11 is 7 times 9, 63.63. 9 and 11 go together. 9 and 11 go together. 9 and 11. 9 and 11 go together. 2 by 9 is, take the numerator 2, multiply by 11, write down twice. 3 by 9 is 3 times 11, 33.33. 8 by 9 is 8 times 11, 88.88. Another question. Percentage increase is 25 percentage. Percentage decrease is 20 percentage. Final value is 180. Find the initial value. Find the initial value. Percentage increase is 25 percentage. Percentage decrease is 20 percentage. Find the initial value. 25 percentage is 1 by 4. 4 1 increase, it is 5. 20 percentage is 1 by 5. 5 1 decrease 4. All cancel. 0 change. 0 percentage change. So initial value is also 180. Initial value is also 180. 25 percentage. 4 1 increase 5. 5 1 decrease 4. 5 5 4 4 cancel. 0 percentage change. Answer is 180. We did 2 percentage increase. We did 3 percentage increase. We did 1 percentage increase and 1 percentage decrease. Now write down a note. Now write down a note. Write down a note. Note. Initial value is called the principal. Initial value is called the principal. Final value is called the amount. Final value is called the amount. Change is nothing but interest. Change is nothing but interest. Initial value is principal, final value is amount, change is nothing but interest. For example, our percentage is 14.2857. CI for 2 years is 45. Find the amount and find the principal. You open an R.S. Agarwal textbook, there is no formula for this kind of questions. Only amount formula given. CI is amount minus principal. Very long method. Within seconds you can solve if you know this approach. R percentage is 14.2857. 14.2857 is 1 by 7. 7 1 increase, it is 8. Depreciation is decrease. Rate of interest is increase. 7 1 increase, it is 8. Again, for 2 years, 7 1 increase, it is 8. 7 1 increase, it is 8. for 2 years. Multiply. 7 sevens are 49. 8 eights are 64. 49 and 64. Extra is 15. Extra is nothing but CI. 15 is becoming 45. So it is into 3 times. If it is 3 times, everything will be into 3. 49 into 3 is the principal. 64 into 3 is the amount. Just by looking at a question itself, if you know this successive change concept, you can solve it probably orally with little practice. 14.2857 is 1 by 7. 7 1 increase is 8. Again 7 1 increase is 8. 7 sevens are 49. 8 eights are 64. 49 became 64. Change is nothing but interest. 15 became 45. 15 threes are 45. 49 threes are 64 threes are. Just very simple question. There is no usage of these stupid formulae. P into 1 plus R percentage power n unless and until you require it. I hope it is clear. 2 more problems, then we will discuss another unique concept. R percentages. Drop your pen, sir. Just by looking at a question, try to solve it. This is how I make my students learn. Lucky people are those enrolled students who can watch all these concepts as many times as possible. Non-enrolled students, right? I think you can get a partial content if you are getting a teacher who is more of formula based, right? God will only bless you, right? If the paper becomes tough. 11.11 percentage. Principal is 243. N is 2 years. Find the amount and CI without using formula approaches. Formula free approaches. Fastest approaches, best approaches, and best first and fastest. You will be the first one to solve the question. You will be the fastest one to solve the question, and you will be best in my domain. 11.11 is 1 by 9. 9 1 increase 10. 9 1 increase 10. 9 nines are 81. 10 tens are 100. Initially 81, 243, 3 times. All are 3 times. CI is a change. 19 into 3. Amount is 100 into 3. Just by looking at a question itself, you can mark the answer. If you know these approaches, amount is 300 and CI is 57. Mrinal, some calculation mistake, please take care. I did not ask the answers. I don't know why you are telling the answer. Right? 100 into 3 and 19 into 3. Idea clear? One more question. Then we'll go to the next step. R percentage is, R1 percentage is 16.67 percentage. R2 percentage is 14.2857 percentage. Amount is 240. Find CI and find principal. If you see, everything will be in a structured way. That is how the classroom videos are there. First is easy, next is medium level, next is intermediate level, next is advanced level, finally it is exam model. R1 is 16.67, R2 is 14.2857, amount is 240, CI and principal. This is 1 by 6, this is 1 by 7, 6 1 increase 7, 7 1 increase 8, 6 is becoming 8, 8 6 is becoming 8, 8 is 240, 30, 6 into 30, 180, CI is 7, 8, 8 into 30, 6 into 30 and 2 into 30. 2 into 30. 2 into 30. I hope it is clear. When I ask you to solve the questions, you please solve it. These are all, everybody else is solving. Maybe you are just writing the answers for your own feel good factor. Next, suppose if the question is, if the question is like this, thematic based learning, R percentage is 12.5 percentage. Now please tell the answer for this question. Second year is 36. Find the amount and principal. Find the amount and principal. You can tell this answer. If you are good in SI and CI, please tell this answer. Any student, you can solve this question in 30 seconds. Please say this answer. Please say this answer. R percentage is, when I am telling you, I will go from the basics to advanced. Anybody this answer? Please comment your answers. Only for second year it is given, not for 2 years. 2 years, that is the logic. Anybody answers? Anybody answers? That is exactly you should listen, sir. Anybody answers? I know how to move from a basic level to an advanced level. I wanted to do for a particular second year. Answers. Arun says 192 principal. One student said 192. 192. Please write down this logic. Please write down this logic. Logic, concept. Concept. Extremely important concept. If R percentage is numerator by denominator, let us see 2 answers I got. I am happy that you are telling the answers. I am also unhappy that let me explain the concept, but answer does not matter to me. The way I solve the question matters. Assume principal equivalent to denominator power k. If R percentage is numerator by denominator, assume principal equivalent to denominator power k. For first year, SI is equivalent to CI. For second year, CI is SI plus interest on interest. Please write this point. CI equivalent to SI plus interest on interest. Very, very important logic. After this logic, you will be able to solve the questions in seconds. R percentage is numerator by denominator. Assume principal as the denominator power k. For first year, SI is equivalent to CI. Second year, CI equivalent to SI plus interest on interest. Now see, R percentage is 12.5 percentage, which is 1 by 8. Assume principal equivalent to denominator power k. How many years given? 2 years it is given. 8 square is 64. This is the interest for first year. This is the interest for the second year in CI. 1 by 8 of 64, which is 8. Second year is interest plus interest on interest. 1/8 of 8 is nothing but 8. 1/8 into 8 is 9. 1/8 into 8 is 9. I hope it is clear. First year it is 1/8 of 64. Second year it is 1/8 of 60 year. But second year it is SI plus interest on interest. First year interest is 8. On that one interest 1/8 of 8. So what is the question that he has asked? CI for 2 years is 36 I gave. CI for 2 years is 36 I gave. So this is nothing but 8 plus 1 is 9. This is the CI for second year. 9 4s are 36. 64 4s are 256. Some of you who said 256 are right answers. Some of you who said 192 may be calculation mistake. I hope it is clear. Principal is 64. First year SI is 1/8 of 64, which is 8. Second year it is 1/8 of 64. 1/8 of 8 is 1. Please make a note of this concept. If R percentage is numerator by denominator, assume principal equivalent to denominator power k. Assume principal equivalent to denominator power k. Please write down this. Next one, by using this one, you can solve any questions of this format. Please write down. R percentage is numerator by denominator. Assume principal equivalent to denominator power k. By using this, you can solve SI for any number of years. You can solve CI for any number of years. You can solve CI for 2 years minus SI for 2 years. You can solve CI for 2 years minus one approach, multiple problems. For second year, you can solve CI for SI for 2 years minus SI for second year. All these problems can be solved. All these problems can be solved by using this approach. If R percentage is numerator by denominator, principal equivalent to denominator power k. Principal equivalent to denominator power k. One question, all the problems we will solve it. All the problems we will solve it. This is a very important concept, like an assumption we did in time, speed and distance. Assumption we did it in time, speed and distance. Now see here. Now, first question. R percentage is 20%. 20%. First question. SI for 2 years. SI for 2 years is 30. Find the principal. CI for 2 years. CI for 2 years. It is 44. Find the principal. CI for 2 years minus SI for 2 years. It is 8. Find the principal. Find the principal. All are based on one logic. R percentage is 20%. One concept, multiple variety of problems. SI for 2 years. 3 years. 20% is 1 by 5. 20% is 1 by 5. 1 by 5. Assume principal is 5 square is 25. First year 1/5 of 25 is 5. Second year 1/5 of 5 is 5. 1/5 of 5 is 1. This is for the first year. This is for the second year. This is for the second year. All the questions can be solved orally. 5 SI for 2 years. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 is becoming 30. 25 3s are 75. 25 3s are 75. CI for 2 years. CI for 2 years is total first year plus second year. 5 plus 5 plus 1, 11. 11 is becoming 44. 4 times. It is 100. It is 100. CI for 2 years. Total is nothing but 11. SI for 2 years. It is nothing but 10. Difference is 1. 1 is becoming 8. 25 8s are 200. 25 8s are 200. I hope all the logics can be done. It can be CI for 2 years plus SI for 2 years. It can be CI for 3 years minus SI for 3 years, any number of things you can do it. Any number of times you can do it. I hope the idea is clear. This is SI for 2 years. This is total CI for 2 years. This is CI for second year. CI for second year. Next one. Next one. Another one. R percentage is 25 percentage. 25 percentage. Total compound interest is R percentage is 25. Compound interest is 130 for time period 1 year 6 months. 1 year 6 months. Find the principal. Morning we thought of discussing this logic. R percentage is 25 percentage. CI is 130. What is CI? CI, this is for 1 year 6 months. Find the principal. 25 percentage is 1 by 4. First do it for 4 years. P is denominator power K, 16. First year it is 1/8, 160, 1 by 4th of 16. 1/4 of 16. 1/4 of 4 is 1. This is for the first year. This is for the second year. This is for the second year. Second year it is nothing but 12 months. 12 months total value is 5. But according to the question I require 6 months, half of them. So this is becoming 2.5. 5 is replaced by 2.5. So 4 plus 2.5 is 6.5. Into 20 is 130. So principal is 16 into 20 is 320. 16 into 20 is 320. 25 percentage is 1 by 4. P is 16. 16. First year it is 1/4 of 16 is 4. 1/4 of 16 is 4. 1/4 of 4 is 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 is for 12 months. But for 6 months it is 2.5. 6 months it is 2.5. 6 months it is 2.5. 4 plus 2.5 is 6.5. Total it is 6.5. But in the question it is 130. So into 20. I hope the idea is clear. Morning, these are the questions I could not discuss because of time constraint. That is the reason I am taking it up in the class. R is nothing but 20 percentage. 20 percentage. CI is nothing but 310. Time period is 1 year 73 days. 1 year 73 days. Find the principal. Time period is 1 year 73 days. 20 percentage is 1 by 5. 73 days means second year is under progression. 5 square is 25. First and second. 1/5 of 25, 5. 1/5 of 25, 5. 1/5 of 5, 1. I hope it is clear. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 is for 365 days. Assuming it is not given, so it's a non-leap year. 73 days by 5, it is 1.2. 1.2. Such an easy if you know the approach. 5 plus 1.2 is 6.2. But according to the question, it is 310. So into 50. Answer is 25 into 50. 1250. I hope the idea is clear. 25 into 50, which is 1250. I hope the idea is clear. These are some of the concepts which we could not discuss in the morning because of time constraint. I discussed square of a number. I will discuss another perfect square. I hope the logic is clear. These for 365 days. Now see here. X square minus 5y square equivalent to 1232. Morning I could not explain the application part of this question. X and Y are natural question. Very tough question. Original cat question. If you go by the algebra logic, it will take greater than 2 minutes to solve this question. But see the logic. X square minus 5y square is 1232. How am I going to solve the question? The unit digit of this number is 2. Unit digit of this number is 2. Any number multiplied by 5, unit digit is 0 or 5. Unit digit is 0 or 5. Something minus 0 is 2. That something unit digit is 2. 2 minus 0 only will give you 2. Something minus 5 is 2. 7 minus 5 is 2. But x square is a perfect square. A perfect square can never end with 2, 3, 7 or 8. Answer is no solution. Please write down. Absolutely very logical way of solving a toughest question. X square minus 5y square is 1232. 1232 unit digit is 2. Any number multiplied by 5, unit digit will be 0 or 5. Something minus 0 is 2. Something minus 5 is 2. 2 minus 0 is 2. 7 minus 5 is 2. A perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. So answer is no solution. Like this, close to 5000 plus solved questions using all these shortcuts. 5000 plus solved questions. 350 plus placement papers with solution, covering every topic in number system, arithmetic, algebra, geometry, modern maths. Every topic has got minimum 25 shortcut techniques